Okay. Hi. It's me, Mayo, Nekotan. Whatever you want to call me. I'm back. And once again, I am working on my computer science homework. So let's get on with it. I just realized my headphones aren't even plugged into my computer. I'm an idiot. Let's get that done, shall we? Okay, here's my crappy sounding music. I can hear it now. Oh, right into a fight. Now, I actually have the combat system somewhat working now. I have the fighting working. That's it. And then, you can see it did a little bit of damage, right? And then, do it again, I do more damage. And then, combat ends because it doesn't know what to do. Because this enemy, Jar Jar, has 200 health and I did 100 damage both times. So, you see how it is, right? If it has 200 health, I deal 100 damage both times, and it's combat, right? Now, I have that under battle line, right? I have my entire combat system under battle line. Let's look. Okay, gotta have it set to when I receive victory. Gotta have a victory kind of thing, right? So if there's no victory, then yeah, it just kind of gets stuck like this, playing the music forever. So you know what? Because of that, very simple solution. We need victory music. Can't remember the name of the website. Beatbox. There we go. Alright, we gotta create a victory sounding music. But that's the thing. I don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna... Ooh. This seems interesting. Island. Let's just see how this sounds. Pretty alright. We can switch the instrument though to like... Alright. Interesting. Let's find an instrument that sounds fun though. Overdrive guitar. Interesting. You know what? I'm liking the new age pad. Let's stick with that. I'm just clicking random things, seeing what works. That sounds interesting. That sounds pretty interesting. I could very easily increase the key to like A sharp. I'm liking the A sharp. I say we go with the A sharp. Now we need some drums, right? Metal pipe. I can have a metal pipe be my drum. I'm not liking the sound of the metal pipe. Excuse me, what? I'm not liking the sound of that. I'm liking the sound of this. This is nice. This part of the stream is probably really boring, listening to the same thing over and over again. But it's fine. Loop count 1, I don't want the outro. Export to WAV file, that's fine. And now let's go to my sounds. Upload sound, victory theme. Now let's reverse it, see what it sounds like. I don't like it reversed. Now there's the curse noise. It doesn't sound much different reversed. Let's listen to my title screen. Let's reverse that. Okay, that's a thing I can do. Alright. Battle Music 1. Still liking that. Reverse that. I don't like that reversed. A lot of things don't sound good reversed, honestly. But I will reverse them nonetheless. This one, normal overworld, sounds like garbage. Speed version. That's what it sounds like. And then there's reverse version. Well, that's perfectly fine as it is. I don't really care. It just is what it is. Yeah. For now, let's work on my combat system. Because right now, nothing happens at victory. Except for, nothing. Literally nothing happens at victory. So, you know what that means. I'm going to make something happen at victory. Well, of course I can't do the Final Fantasy battle music because, copyright. So I made my own crappy battle music. Or victory music, you know what I mean. It sounds like garbage. But it's fine. It doesn't need to sound good. So, you know what that means. I make a garbage sounding thing. And it sounds like garbage, but I don't really care. And now... yeah. You know what, I'm not going to code the victory thing yet. I'm going to... well, actually, I can just make it so that... when I receive victory, stop other scripts and sprite, and forever play sound victory theme double. Let's just make sure that works. That was quick. 100 damage to Mr. Bean. That's peaceful. Not bad, not bad. Not the best victory thing. It's more peaceful than anything, but it's fine. I don't really care. What now? I should probably work on the other features of the combat system, like the run mechanic. Okay, when this sprite clicked, we gotta come up with another thing. When this sprite is clicked, what will it do? It will, I'd say we give him a 50% chance of successfully running away, eh? That sounds like fun. Alright, another variable doesn't hurt anybody. Okay. Run doesn't need to show up. Set run to pick random between 1 and 2. Give him a 50% chance of making the run. Okay, so now if picking run equals 1, then we'll broadcast run success. And then And I've got a lot of messages. It's fine. Don't really care. Because that's fine. I don't really care because I can always call them later, you know? And I have them clearly labeled as what they do, right? So. Let's broadcast, run, fail. Now we gotta come up with something. For when it successfully runs or not. Okay. Maybe because of your positioning, if I have you, I'm curious. What will happen if I click you right now? Nothing, because you're not visible. Alright. Good to know. The run button. You know what, since I'm bored, I'm gonna have it do a little spin while it's doing its thing. Turn 36 degrees, and we're gonna have it wait 0.1 seconds every time it does that. And then we'll have it say and then let's have it duplicate you, except instead of saying let's just hold all of the buttons at once. Or not. Oh, there we go, finally. Random encounter against Robob. No. Okay. Failed to run away. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, fled successfully. Alright. Oh yeah, failed to run away. Okay, so that works. I'm gonna have it every time it fails to run away. It'll broadcast the enemy turn. Oh, but wait a second. That means I gotta copy a whole bunch of text from the whole Just throw you into the backpack. Alright, and then I can just delete you. Rip you right out of the backpack, throw you in the run button. Then I can throw it at you. Just throw you right there. Hey. This works, eh? Then I can have it broadcast victory when it successfully runs. Okay, so let's have it now. When it gets victory, we gotta have it switch backdrop to a new backdrop. We gotta come up with a new backdrop. Gotta paint a new backdrop, you know? What'll this new backdrop be? What color will it be? Can we go for a nice kinda, maybe this kind of shade? I'm liking that. I just kind of shade of pink. There's probably going to be a lot of pink going on in this game, but that's fine. I don't mind at all. Alright. I've got pink background. Slightly different from the one on the title screen. We're going to have to create another button. I can probably duplicate you. I'll call you OK. You will literally be the OK button. Maybe the text will be black on this one, though. Just to give it a contrast with the... Excuse me, what? And now, on the backdrop, I'm just going to hide you real quick. On the backdrop, I can throw in the text. Victory. You know what? I don't want to do that. That looks alright. And now you just need to go to 0, 0. That may be a bit lower, actually. Negative 35. That looks fine. What are you at? Negative 50. I could put you at negative 50. See how that looks. Yeah, that looks a bit better. I'm thinking that looks nice. And I can save it. Now, the code. code. This is not what I want. I will want it to broadcast movement. Now, we're going to have a whole bunch of variables depending on which map it's on. Because there's going to be different maps, right? So, depending on the map it's on, that'll affect which place it takes it, right? So right now, since there's only, one map, right? It's only really you. I don't have any proper maps yet. I'm gonna have to make do with what I have. I'm gonna have to create a new variable and make a variable. Call you map. You are not going to be visible. Drops. No, I want to look at the code. When backdrop switches to backdrop 1, set map to 1. That'll just be a thing, and then just right click, broadcast movement. There'll be a whole bunch of if else, if else, if else, if else. Or no, if then. I could do if then. If map equals 1. Then switch backdrop to 1. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. I just want to check your code real quick. When you receive movement, you do show. I don't want you to necessarily go to 0, 0. But just to appear. Maybe when it receives game start, I'll have it go to 0, 0. Because I know it receives game start. Right, let's just see how this works. Basically, I'm dumb. Okay, now I just need to have everything hide. Now, how come... Wait. Oh, because it's never receiving. Hide. What's it receiving? Maybe whenever it receives run fail, it will also disappear. Maybe when it finishes saying you, I could have it broadcast run fail too. And then broadcast you. Then when I receive run fail too, I'll hide. Just throw you in the backpack. And rip you right out here. Let's see if you work. Okay, that works. Man. 3 in a row. 4 in a row, wow. There we go, finally. Maybe the 50%. Maybe the 50% win rate, or flee rate, wasn't a good idea, eh? That's fine. Let's see. What else could I do? I gotta make everything hide when it receives victory. I could just duplicate you. And then put you in the backpack. Yeet. 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 Yeah. I have you on here, right? No. Yeah. The bag button has no code. So that's fine. Let's hope this works. Move. And then we'll have fight the battle line when it receives victory to hide the HP variable. Okay. And I receive victory. Now, if everything would work correctly, that'd be great. Yes, I know, it's Scratch. Let's see if everything works to... Okay. It almost worked right. It almost worked right. Almost. Not quite. What do I also have to broadcast? I also have to broadcast mainland, right? Okay, now, if everything would work right, that'd be great. Hey! It worked. Epic. Oh wow, that did the full 25 damage. Oh, I'm about to get beamed. Damage. 100. It screams. 75. It is dead. Epic. Well, now I know it works. Let's see if I head down to this corner. Will I reappear in this corner after a fight? Good. Okay. Alright. I have the combat system almost completely working. All I need is the bag. But do I really want the bag to work? I don't know. I don't know if I want the bag to work. Because that's the thing. The bag is the bag. Does the bag even really need to exist? What would I put in the bag? What items could the player even put in the bag? That is the real question. I mean, I've got comp sci class tomorrow. I could figure out what to do with the bag then, but... like, what's the point? So you don't take enough damage, really, in a fight to ever need it. I could replace it with a block button. That might be interesting. Maybe negate... You know what? Let's make it overpowered. Negate all damage. Which means it'd only really be useful in boss fights, maybe. Because I could make it in boss fights. Your flee chance just skyrockets the opposite direction. Or I could just make it so you can't flee during a boss fight. That'd be fun. Just remove the run button in a boss fight. Like Facebox, for example. The first of my bosses. Or maybe, I don't know, I'm thinking of putting myself in there as the final boss, but I'm not sure. And until then, I'm thinking all in this stream because I've got my combat system almost fully functional. Still don't know what I want to do with the bag button. Not sure if I'll even make it exist, right? Yeah. And that's about it. I know I said I was going to play F1 2019 today. I didn't feel like it. Tomorrow I'm going to play Code Vein probably, and if not, F1 2019. Keep in mind that it's a probably, not a guarantee, you know? Because I really don't care. This is for my own fun and satisfaction. If I'm not having fun doing something, I won't do it. So yeah, that's it for now. See you again tomorrow, the day after, maybe the day after that. Who knows if I'll even stream again. But like, yeah, that's it for now.